Hello kids, welcome back to your channel. Let's learn shapes and colors today. First we have the square. Square has 4 sides which are all equal. Let's color this blue. Which is the next shape? A rectangle. Yes, a rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides, but only opposite sides are of equal size. Let's color our rectangle with orange color. Good, so we have 2 shapes now which are in blue and orange in color. What's the next shape we have? Who is going to tell? Yes, a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 3 sides. Come, let's color our triangle with green color. Next we have this circle which is round in shape. Let's draw a circle and color it red. Okay, who can tell the next shape which looks like a circle but is not a circle? Correct, oval shape. Oval looks like a stretched circle, isn't it? Let's color it with purple color. Which is our next shape that looks like a diamond? Yes, it's a rhombus. Rhombus looks like a diamond. Let's color it yellow. Who is going to tell the next one? Star shape. Let's color it with pink color. Next, we will draw a heart and let's color it blue. Okay, we have reached our final shape now. Who will tell this shape? It's a pentagon with 5 sides. Let's color a dark green color. Excellent, kids! We have learned the shapes and colored them. Do try to practice drawing shapes and coloring them. Bye-bye!